takes up my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today there's just a few things I want to get done, but I probably won't get them all done today. Might be over a few days, so if you see me in different clothes, that's the reason. So yeah, I'm just going to start obviously like I always do. If you're not new here, you'll know that, but if you're new, welcome. And so I started in my room. I'm starting making my bed, and then obviously I want to give the house a vacuum, and then I really want to vacuum my car as well, because that's something I've been putting off, and just a few other odd jobs, some ironing, yeah, just see what else pops up. So I wasn't going to film all this, but I just felt like I wanted to film it. So yeah, we'll see what we get done. Come along. I hope it brings you some motivation in all this to get stuff done that you need to get done at home. So yeah, let's jump into it. So I start by opening my blinds in my bedroom. I've always got to open my blinds. If it's a hot day, I'll open them in the morning and shut them later in the day to keep the heat out, but I have to open my blinds. And then I'll make my bed.
Just watch me breaking. You'll see. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear. You'll do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I don't know how many times my beautiful husband has seen the bed made this way, with the throw pillows this certain way, but God love him, he can never seem to get the throw pillows in the right order.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
I just want to point out that this is Kelvin's side of the bed. I clearly don't keep a picture of myself beside my side of the bed.
And trying to remain so strong, I know it's good if I
It had been quite a good few weeks since I wiped these side tables down here in my bedroom, so they were very dusty, and everything on them was dusty also. So I just gave everything a nice wipe down. I was just trying to show you here how dusty this glass plate that my diffuser sits on was. I know we're only at the start of this Get Door Done With Me. However, I want you to stick around till the end because I'm going to do a shout out to 3 YouTubers that I just absolutely love and enjoy watching so much. So stay tuned to the end and I'll let you know these 3 very motivating, beautiful women.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night.
I hadn't done this in months either, but I thought I'd take the side tables out and just give them a good vacuum underneath to get rid of any dust or anything under there. I just want to say a huge welcome if you're new here to my channel. I really appreciate the fact that you stopped by and I really hope you're enjoying this video so far. On my channel you'll find lots of cleaning motivation, cooking and organisation, and also I do day in the life and some routine style videos. So if this is all stuff that you enjoy watching, I would love it so much if you just hit that red subscribe button down below. It really supports my channel.
Touch
I don't know if you've noticed or not, but Harper's bassinet that used to be there is no longer there because she's been sleeping in her cot in her bedroom, and she seems to be going quite well in there, but it's quite sad to not see the bassinet there anymore already, and she's only 6 months old. But yeah, so Kelvin put it in the spare room the other night. Yes.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it.
Now into Harper's room. I just want to change her sheet. Just give her room a bit of a freshen up.
I don't see the benefits now when you've broken my trust. So I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you.
Now that Harper's sleeping in her cot for every nap now, I change her sheet once a week, just like I change ours.
Felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
Like I've mentioned before here on my channel, I like to iron when there's just a couple of things. It just makes it obviously easier and quicker. You don't spend half your day ironing. This is what I'm cooking here for dinner. I've done this before on my channel a while ago, but yeah, lemon chicken pasta. So that's what's in it. Yes. So yes, let's keep making this. It's really, really good.
There's no going back.
Now I've got the 2 chicken breasts that I'm just slicing down the middle. So you'll obviously end up with 4 pieces of chicken. Now I've got the pot of water for the pasta that I'll bring to the boil. And now to the fry pan, I'm just going to add the butter and the olive oil. Like I said, I'll leave the full instructions for this recipe down in the description box below. I'll leave the link. It'll take you to this recipe.
Standing on the dizzying highs.
And then you want to season the chicken breasts just with some salt and pepper on either side.
I once felt I'm done with it.
Does anyone else wear their tea towel over their shoulder like this when they're cooking? I find I've got this tea towel and not a very big kitchen, but I can never seem to find the tea towel, and it's always sitting right there in front of you.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
The chicken's in there with the olive oil, butter, and you saw me season the chicken either side with a bit of salt and pepper, and then I've got the water waiting to boil over here to put the pasta in. This one's a pretty easy one. I like this, but I mean we wouldn't have this every week because it has got the cream and parmesan cheese in it, so yes, but it is a nice one, just nice little treat, something different. So here I'm just peeling the garlic cloves. I probably used about 5-6 because we love garlic, so it's entirely up to you.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
And here I'll just remove the chicken breast before adding the cream into the fry pan.
What can I do when your dream is gone? I don't wanna go back.
And here we're just adding the cloves of garlic that I minced just with the garlic crusher here.
Where we came from, if my hands are empty, hey, do you need me go back? I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you wanna with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I don't wanna go back.
And now I'm just putting in the thickened cream.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone up. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body.
Now we're just adding the juice of that lemon. I really love lemons. I just think they're the freshest smelling thing ever.
Tryna get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
And the actual recipe does say to remove the chicken from the fry pan before you add the pasta, but I don't worry about doing that because that's just extra dishes and what have you, so I just drain the pasta, add it to the fry pan as is. It's up to you what you want to do though.
Body, my body.
And here's me just testing the pasta's cooked properly now.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
And lastly, I'm just adding the chopped parsley and the grated Parmesan cheese.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
All the dishes usually go in the dishwasher. However, there's just a few things that I wash up by hand, like Harper's spoon and bowl. I like to wash that up by hand.
Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you.
And I just go over my countertops with my Thebes household cleaner, which, if you've been following me for a while, you know I absolutely love Young Living's products, and I use them in my home every day.
Secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious.
Now, I must admit, obviously my countertops never really get that messy, as I always, and Kelvin's the same, if we cook something or make something and there's a spill, we usually wipe it up straight away.
Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
Now onto the good old sink scrub. Who doesn't love a sink scrub? I'm still just using my Jif on the sink, as I always have, and I just use the lemon and bicarb and boiling hot water to freshen up my drains, which, if you've seen my other videos on my channel, you would have seen me do that, but I don't do that today in this video.
Coming to get you.
And you may or may not have heard or seen this scrubber brush that I'm using here to clean the sink. This one's the Scrub Mummy, but they also have a Scrub Daddy too, and I just picked this up from my local supermarket Coles the other day, so this is my first time using it here on the sink, and I actually quite liked it. I can sort of see why all the hype is over these scrubbers, but yeah, I liked it.
Best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
This hand soap here, I just got it from my local supermarket, Coles, and it smells absolutely amazing. It's desert lime and eucalyptus scent, and it smells so refreshing.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't.
For me, there's nothing more satisfying than walking into your kitchen and seeing your beautifully clean, shiny sink.
Can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
Second day of the get it all done with me. I got a lot done yesterday, way more than I thought I would have, so that's a relief. Not as big a day as yesterday. So, but the big job I've still got to do is vacuum the car, which is one of those things you really got to build yourself up to do it, I find. But once you're in there doing it, you think, this wasn't too bad. Why did it take so long to do this? So yeah, that's the biggest job today. I did want to use my Bissell Crossway to clean the floors, but it's a lot different day here today than yesterday. It's really rainy, overcasty, drizzly day, so, and I really don't like to mop the floors on days like that because I just don't think they dry as well, and they're sort of left a bit sticky like. So, and I don't like the feel on your feet, so I don't think I'm gonna mop today. But yes, I still have some laundry motivation for use today, and like I said, the big task of vacuuming the car. We have been doing what a few of you recommended and opening the dishwasher when it finishes overnight. However, last night we forgot to open the dishwasher, so obviously some dishes were still a bit wet.
Out of here, I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no.
Show me what it's like.
Harper was just having a play here on her playmat whilst I packed those toilet rolls away. She's getting so much more playful and active now when she's awake.
You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark.
So now it's just onto the car, nothing too dramatic, just to vacuum and give the interior a wipe down today.
Until you save me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
I just use this backpack style vacuum that my mother gave me a few years ago for the car. I don't use my Dyson for the car because the battery life on the high suction wouldn't last the time to do the whole car, and I'd need on the high speed for the car. However, in the house it's fine, just on the lower speed.
Until you save me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high.
I'm lucky my car doesn't really get too dirty at this stage because for one, I don't need in my car, and two, I'm on maternity leave at the moment with Harper until August, and before that we're working from home due to COVID, so I don't really drive my car overly that much.
No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Come whatever may, I'm done with guessing. I know things will change, and life is staring me in different ways. I gotta find my place. I gotta find my place. Things they fall apart. I'm walking without light, lost in the dark. I thought I had a place I could belong. My back against the wall. My back against the wall. Stay with me, 'cause I'm lost in your love. Stay with me, 'cause I have nothing left. Stay with me, stay with me. Futures that I've drawn, I see them turn to ashes as they burn. I'm left out on my own, I can't return. I'm stepping into where, I'm stepping into where. Pebbles turn to stone, too heavy to make things become undone. Feel pain down to the ground by what I've done. My body's saying no, my body's saying no.
And I just go over the shiny bits in the car just because sometimes the interior cleaner can leave these a bit streaky, so I'll just go over with the chamois to get rid of that streakiness. Come to the end of the video. I really hope this extra long video has brought you some sort of motivation to get the stuff you need doing around your home. And that shout out of the 3 YouTubers I wanted to mention, their channels on here are It's All Messy and Ashley Marie and EJ Makes Us 6. So these are 3 beautiful mums, very motivating women, so I'll link their channels down below, so make sure you, if you're not already, which I'm sure you probably are, head over to their channels and check them out and subscribe while you're there, because you're just going to love them 3. I know you will. See you back here with a new video soon. Bye.
Car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.